BenQ continues to expand its line of 4K projectors. Now it is the turn of one of medium-high for users who have dedicated rooms and control of ambient light. The W5700, a model with DLP technology, color wheel RGBRGB and resolution 4K 3840x2160, compatible with HDR10, HLG and capable of covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color space. As for the projection capabilities, it offers a somewhat lower brightness than the previous model, reaching 1800 lumens, but an improved contrast of 100,001 thanks to the use of a dynamic iris. In addition, the lamp has been improved with respect to the models of previous years, reaching 10,000 hours in economic mode. Its optics consists of 10 lenses that offer a magnification of 1.6x and displacement capacity on the vertical and horizontal axis to facilitate installation in the house.